With this one, I want to measure the injection duration at which the injector open. And using a maxiscope, if you want to measure anything with a time base, you have to go to the right corner of the time base line. Before you can do that, you can get a rule, you have to select the mouse. And after selecting the mouse, you get to the corner, the right corner, and you click on the square boxes and pull it so that you can get your time base rule to measure the duration. So I'll place the first one at which the injector was active, and I'll come and pick the second rule so that I can get the duration at which the injector was fired. And this is for only injector 1, and it was on an Elantra 2013, 2014, 15, and even 12, when I wanted to record a good waveform down, so that in case I have any issue I can record and go back. So with this one, it gave me the duration at which the injector was fired. So I'll push the rule a bit so that I can get the duration at which the injector was open, and that duration was 2.652 milliseconds, and that will be a duration at which that is a good injector opening. That's the time at which a good injector open. But with this one, I wanted to show how to measure the injection duration. So this is a good waveform for Elantra. So if you need it, you can contact me for it so that I can send it to you. And this one, if you want to measure the angle at which you want, or the angle, or using an angle to measure at which the injectors were measured, you go to the left hand side corner and pick up the circle, the round dark thing, so that you will get the angle at which you want. So if you want to measure any angle, maybe for the crank, you can use that one also.